Hello friends! Were you aware that the first recorded instance of tank ramming in history was accomplished by Soviet Lieutenant Semyon Osachi during the Spanish Civil War of 1936? This extraordinary incident took place during the Spanish Civil War. In early 1936, Semyon Osachi and several other military experts were dispatched from the USSR to aid the Republican government in war-torn Spain. Upon reaching the Republican Army's position, Osachi was designated commander of a platoon of T-26 light tanks. He had to fight on this tank against not only the rebellious Frankists but also their allies, the Italian troops. The lieutenant made his world-famous tactical move during the battle with the Italians. It was on October 29, 1936, near the village of Cesena near Madrid. Osachi's tank's cannon jammed during the battle. Next, the commander decided to ram the enemy and on his T-26, at full speed, crashed into the Italian flamethrower tank in Saldo. The enemy's fighting vehicle fell into a ravine, turned over several times, and exploded after the ramming. Only 5 days after this accomplishment, the tanker was hit by a shell, which tore off both of his legs. He died in a hospital in Madrid. Lieutenant Semyon Osachi was awarded the title of Hero of the Soviet Union posthumously on December 31, 1936. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and rate and write comments. We hope to see you in our other videos titled Memories of a Soldier.